God.
Try and add this topping to see.
Hey guys, welcome to another Ramadan vlog and how so guys, that's our so guys, today we are going to be baking for the first time. Well, I'm baking for the first time ever in my life. I've never baked before. But Hawa, have you ever baked before?
Let me know from this. I don't know, I'm so shy. I've actually not been in front of the camera in like a long time.
So guys, today we said during this Ramadan period, we should use this period to learn how to bake. Like I have never baked in my life. I don't know how to mix anything.
I've made puff and pancakes. That counts. And I've been there when people are baking.
I've never made pancakes. You know that?
I think.
I've never, like, I always eat like already made pancake. I never make pancake. I have actually never baked anything. I got shade on because my eyes are puffy. I just woke up and I don't want you guys to see me like this. So let's pretend I want to be bougie, okay? So guys, we are in our apron. How said we moved? We are apron.
It's just a smart thing to do when you're dealing with flour.
What am I going to do first?
So I'm the main chef here and she's the sous chef. So what we're using: flour, cinnamon, butter. This is yeast, but then it's in another container.
I'm listening to you now.
Brown sugar, baking powder, milk, and then we need, I forgot to get sugar. So first of all, we need to let the yeast rise. We need to activate the yeast.
I don't know how to do it. I'm learning from you. So you're not going to teach me.
Okay. So first let's activate the yeast, and to do that we're going to put the yeast in warm water and a little bit of sugar, and then like let it rise for like 5 minutes.
You guys are wondering what's wrong with me. I've never baked in my life, so this is like a very big experience for me. And I'm experiencing it with Hawa.
We're going to use this bowl to activate the yeast, and then we're going to use this one for the mixing of the stuff. But then if your yeast is like active yeast already, you don't need to, like, there's one kind of
active yeast thing.
Active yeast is the one that you don't need to activate like this. Because if you just use this one, it won't. I remember when I made puff with it. Like puff became like akara because the yeast wasn't anything. So wait, I wait.
You said wait, chef.
We'll be fine.
Time is going. We don't break fast.
Sugar.
Don't worry. Where is that? Let me show you guys how it's done.
It's somewhere hot.
What did you say again?
Didn't you hear me first?
You said something, I didn't hear you.
So it's in the microwave now. So you can like leave for like 5 minutes. So the time is 12:36. So by 1:01 you check it.
Yes,
smiling.
This our chef is. She's very serious. She's watching YouTube videos for us to be able to make this stuff.
Let me check
Chef Dash.
I sent her this recipe like weeks ago.
It's not like that.
So that she can know, like, cause now I'm here, I'm saying where is this, like, shouldn't you know the things we need? That is why I sent it to you. This is my issue.
I swear it's not like that.
It's like what?
I'm more serious than this, I swear. List, I know she sent me the list, but I have an explanation.
It's about half of this.
Guys, finally I got her something she can melt it in. After disgracing me up and down.
15 minutes. So we'll just put like half. But you know the parts I don't have figured out. Like the videos I've been seeing, you're meant to like mix them. Like use that mixer stuff.
Yes, like come with your hand.
So about half is inside the bowl. So this
How does it look like? It looks weird.
Yeah, but I like it. This is the melted butter in the bowl, and then we need rather this is the butter in the bowl, so we'll need to melt it. So you guys, this is the melted butter.
Okay, that's mine.
So next thing, they said in a large bowl, mix 2 cups of warm milk and melted butter and sugar together. I just put
so
about,
serious.
I just put about. You guys would think I know what I'm doing, but I don't know shit. So I just put about 2 tablespoons of milk, or 2.5. So now I'm going to add warm water to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop smiling.
Let me do it.
You're ashamed of yourself.
Why is I can do something? This is the only thing I can do, but this I can do. Do you watch Skinny Girl in Transit yet?
Yeah.
So guys, we are talking about Skinny Girl in Transit now. I don't know how we got here, but we are talking about Skinny Girl in Transit. And if you have not watched Skinny Girl in Transit, like, hello, what are you doing? Have you seen me day? Have you seen me day? Hey God. Yo, if you have not watched Skinny Girl in Transit, like seriously, go and watch Skinny Girl in Transit. Not because of Mideo, but like he's my favorite character. But go and watch Skinny Girl in Transit, like. And if you have been if you watched the last episode of Skinny Girl in Transit, the final episode, what did you guys think? I'm not watching.
Are you serious? How I liked it.
I didn't watch the part. I started watching it, but I watched the part where Chalewa was telling Kwame that she's just speaking Yoruba. I was very impressed. I was like,
Me too.
that was the like.
So if it's not English, I cannot hear it. It was actually nice. I smelled all food.
I just when I watched it, I was like, when she spoke about, I was very impressed. I was like, wow, we.
So while she's doing that, I'm going to add the flour.
You guys can see I'm doing a very serious job here.
Yeah, right.
This break sugar.
That's not an essential service, because if you had powdered sugar,
who forgot to buy powdered sugar?
Who did I send the list of ingredients?
Who forgot to buy powdered sugar? No, dog. You forgot to buy powdered sugar.
About 5 of these spoons. I'm just using this to be like a cup. Is baking powder the same as baking soda?
I swear I don't know. Maybe.
Yes, comment down below. Is it the same? There's no more. So I just meant to use about 1 teaspoon.
2 teaspoons. What is your then the other teaspoon is there? Guys, I'm boiling it. Okay now. Guys, it does not turn out. See the person that cost it here. You can use this to mix it now. It's not just to.
So I think it's already okay. It's not even 5 minutes yet. Like I'm stupid. You wait. You remember when? Remember when I put in the yeast? What time did I say it was? I was like,
you said by 101 you
yes, but then it was like 12:36. And
36.
Yeah. Because there's no way 5 minutes has not passed now.
Definitely.
And it's just 12:52. So
what am I doing?
So you guys, this is how
wow, I'm impressed
the
though.
yeast is meant to turn out. So if your yeast doesn't turn out like this after 5 minutes, just know that it's not a yeast you can use this.
So can I turn it now?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like.
Can I use my hand? My hand is clean. I just washed it. I should wash it again. I finally washed my hand now. Okay, not so my hand is dirty.
Cardamom milk for our sous chef here.
Oh my god, Chef Awa. My sous chef Titi. Read this.
I think I don't know what sous chef means. I
I
think
don't,
it's like
I don't know, but I'm following what you're saying.
I think it means like the assistant chef kind of thing.
Are you sure? Sous chef sounds very fancy. I
Yeah.
not like the main chef.
No.
It sounds fancy. Oh.
Let me Google it. Oh, you see, under is sous chef de cuisine, French, under
Second in
chef.
command.
Yeah, exactly. So she's the second. See, I was right. Wow.
Yay.
This is how it looks. Yeah, so I just going to cover this and then leave it to rise. Like, but this one we have to leave for like an hour apparently. And I'm meant to do the filling now. So I'm going to be using brown sugar, cinnamon, and then some salt.
You not tell that you forgot to put egg in. You forgot to put egg in.
We won't need the egg. Don't worry.
I'm telling her, if I forgot to put mixed egg in the dough, I'm telling her that if it does not fall, she's going to eat it like that because we can't waste it.
3 spoons of brown sugar. I really like the smell of cinnamon. Like lately I've been using it for a lot. Like pancakes, I put cinnamon. Even for puff too. Like instead of nutmeg, I use cinnamon. Like the scent is just so nice.
It looks so fine. Look like Milo.
This is what it looks like. And this is what the filling looks like. So the next thing.
Look at this.
Okay, yeah, let's.
I'm so serious. I don't know why I feel sleepy at this point.
What did I do?
Like, this way,
Let's add that. What does it look like? Salt bay. Thank you.
I beg, rub it on the something.
Let's sprinkle some magic.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Next thing you want to do is to rub it so you can't don't do the thing is sweeting her, that's actually so now that the dough is flattened, we're going to Titi. I didn't follow you. So this is what it looks like. The butter, because we buttered the pan and then we left it, so it has kind of congealed. But yeah, hopefully by the time it gets in the oven, it melts. Then the second one is covered. So you guys, our sous chef is trying to make. She's trying to make like a filling for the top. So we actually don't have the right stuff to use, and that thing at the back is the oven we're using. So it's already being preheated outside on 180 degrees Celsius and for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we go and put the stuff, the cinnamon rolls, and cinnamon rolls are being kept in the, like we're heating them up, basically want it to swell. So anyways, in this mixture now we have normal liquid milk, but if you have condensed milk, I think that will be better because it has a thicker consistency. So liquid milk, powdered milk, and then we're going to add a little brown sugar. Or should we add brown sugar? Because brown sugar, I want to change the color.
No, what sugar should we add? What do you think we should add if you don't add brown sugar? You see, I told you to form and it's forming. Engineer like you, believe what I say when I tell you.
Let me see the thickness. It's liquid, it's watery.
You add more. I'm an engineer, child. Yo, just add everything. I hope it does not work. I will remove this one. I'm very little.
Very
Very little. I don't know where my accent is coming from. The dumb one is not hot. You know what are we doing here? I mean, if you just put it inside and try. Actually, you not put it in and try. I should put, where is the hot?
It's getting hot.
But I should put it hot. Then I hear this girl. I put my hand and it's hot. No, it's cold. Oh my god.
So you guys, we've put the cinnamon rolls in the oven and put it on like 35 minutes. So I'm just waiting for it to, and like this one is a toaster, that's why the door is open. So this one is, the one down is the main one, but the door is not closing.
I'm going to use our sense for this thing like this. I cannot be smarter than us. But it's finally working. See our chef. Chef, what do you have to say?
Guys, it's looking good and it smells so good. Can you guys see? The top ones are getting brown, but the down ones are just getting swollen. I wonder.
Oh my god, this thing is so hot.
Are you serious?
I swear it's very hot. Ah, my hands.
One eternity later.
It turned out really good, yeah.
Where's that stuff? Is it inside?
Yeah, it's inside. So guys, here's the final result. Chef Dash.
Hopefully it tastes nice. I can't taste it now till
After we break fast, but see how Chef Dash is looking at it. Okay.
we want to try and add. It's okay. It looks like it. I want to try and add this topping to see. See how it will look and taste. Although this
is hard though.
It's hard. I feel like we let it bake for too long. It's hard. It stayed in the oven for too long. It is okay. Sugar.
I want to taste it to be like, yes.
Someone like my mom, she will not eat it. She'll say the sugar is too much.
Your father, you should give it. So guys, how do you like our cinnamon rolls? We'll be trying this at home. It's fun for us to film. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family.